Are we live? Yes, we are. Holy moly, we're live. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna minimize this. I'm gonna maximize this, and maximize this, and we are live. We're good to go. Oh man! Alright, so here's what I'm gonna do. The usual stuff. I'm gonna quickly tweet. Me on the other side. I'm gonna mute myself from the other computer real quick, tweet the stuff out, and I'll be right back. Be right back. Alright, I'm back. Ooh, wow. Oh, man. Make myself comfortable. Take my pants off. Emily and Varo, welcome for some Batman. Oh my goodness, this is going to be a stream where I say I'm Batman like 1,000,000 times. Here we go. Alright, so in the last episode, are we going to get like in the last episode or previously on Batman? Let's see. I'm curious. Let's find out. Checking for DLC. It's alright, I installed you, I hope. I hope I installed you. Episode 2. This was supposed to come out at midnight, and I was waiting last night, refreshing the store, but nothing. Until 1 a.m. I'm like, I'm gonna go to bed. I went to bed, then I woke up in the middle of the night, like around 3:30 a.m. And I'm like, let me refresh the store one more time. If it's on the store, I am gonna stream it. I don't care. Where's Batman? And I was like, I'm gonna stream it 3:30 a.m. I don't care if I'm working at 7. I'm gonna do this. And refresh the store and nothing. Like, oh man. So I woke up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I had to go to work, but before I left for work, I refreshed the store one more time, and it still wasn't there. I'm like, no. But when I got to work, I decided to refresh the store from my phone, and it's there the moment I get to work. Story of my life. So Tristan! No, Tristan! You get it? It's the old Batman theme. Episode 2 is installed. Here we go. Are we gonna get a previously on Batman? Let's find out. Yes, we are gonna get a previously on Batman.
A revolution's door. When this whole thing starts, make sure you're on the right side.
Thank you for opening your house to us. Together, we will change Gotham. Harvey Dent, Gotham's next mayor, and eager to know you.
Vicky Vale, not interested, and reporter for the Gotham Gazette. Carmine Falcone? Is the Dent campaign soliciting votes from Gotham's biggest crime family?
Father knew which hands to shake.
Don't you know, wild animal? It's dangerous. I bet.
This is Selina.
pieces. Falcone's calling card.
The chemicals. Where are they? We're all being played here, including you. Ah, Christ almighty! It's the Waynes. Well, the Waynes are the biggest gangsters in Gotham.
Okay, I like to mute it during the cutscenes so that we enjoy the cutscene. Oh, that's very nice of you to say, Tristan. Varro, Varro, na 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 na. I'm in such a great mood. You have no idea. The game series adapts to the choices you make. The story is tailored by how you play. Do I press X? No, it's gonna go away on its own, is it? There we go.
Don't have to do this. Only you now, Master Bruce.
I thought I might find you here. The news was upsetting for both of us. But you should see this. I know you come here for solitude, Bruce. More allegations about his ties to the underworld. This isn't going away.
They're trashing my family.
It's also public and
This
messy.
can't be true. I don't believe it.
Tell me, all of this is a lie.
I wish I could. There are no angels in Gotham, Bruce. Maybe there never were. I've been dreading this day for nearly 2 decades. I hoped it would never come.
Forget the papers. I want to hear it from you.
The truth is, they were billionaires, Bruce. You can't amass that kind of wealth without making certain moral compromises. It's just not possible. That
kept
kind
their
of money
secrets?
taints you.
You kept their secrets for them.
I'm trying to help you understand.
Then try harder!
Sorry, I'm very quiet during these kind of games. Telltale
Bill
doesn't leave me
greased
enough
the
room
wheels of
to talk.
politics. Falcone was
You know
the
much I love
muscle.
talking.
Thomas legitimized the whole enterprise with his name. Your father, Hamilton Hill, and Falcone, they were partners. Nothing happened in Gotham without them knowing.
Now I'm the last to find out.
Falcone, the papers, they were telling the truth. Everyone knew about this but me.
I know it's a lot to take in.
So it is
I
true. The
want you
Wayne
to
family
know
is corrupt,
I
apparently.
had my suitcases ready. I couldn't stand to be around your father anymore. But then they were killed, and you were all alone. And I just couldn't walk out the door. Everything I did, everything I've ever done, was out of love for you. I hope you can forgive me.
We're still family. You let me down. I'm not ready. We're still family.
How could I hold this against you? You're all I've got.
I decided to go with that.
Thank you. I won't let you down again. This is the first time I've been back here since that night. When the police called me to collect you, I thought they'd finally arrested your father. I couldn't believe a low-life thug like Joe Chill would have the audacity to rob and kill Thomas Wayne. He was simply too well known. Too big. Yet, there it
My
was.
father had enemies. Surely.
If my father was that deep in crime, he would have had enemies.
Well, it's a fair assumption. You don't think? You always said it was a simple mugging. In 20 years, you've never wavered from that story.
I can recall every moment of that night in vivid detail. But maybe that's wrong.
Sometimes we block out things we don't want to face.
Maybe there was some detail I overlooked.
Oh, I can walk around now. Woo! Yeah, Tristan, Varro's image is very creepy because, you know, he's creepy himself. Come on, I'm allowed to make fun of you. Just this once. Side alley, look at.
I want him standing here. Right now.
And what would the Batman do with his own parents' killer? The possibilities are frightening.
Ask him why.
I'd only want to ask him one question. Why? My parents could have given him anything. Why would he just shoot them?
He was stabbed to death in prison. No one mourns for Joe Chill, Bruce.
Graffiti. Let's take a look at the graffiti. Oh, look, it's baby Bruce.
He just wanted to protect us.
He thought he was invincible. Sadly, he was mistaken.
Too bad he wasn't honest.
Oh, it's just too bad he wasn't honest as well.
He had his flaws, yes. But you more than anyone should be able to appreciate that he was a complicated man.
What else is there to see? There's something up there. What is it? The theater. Oh, this is the theater he came out of. Harvey Dent.
I love that movie. Saw it countless times at that theater. How long did it play there?
Only when you wanted to see it, Bruce. Your mother arranged the special screenings personally.
I never knew that. She was always so good to me.
Where exactly does the memory end?
With my father pleading, "You don't have to do this."
Hey, Rusty and Stefan
And
in
after
the
that?
house. I was gonna say we're watching some Batman. It's more like
Considerable
playing,
gaps
but
in that recollection.
Maybe.
thank you for the
Do I
retweet,
really
Emily.
want to know?
Let's check it out.
Stay back!
Take whatever you want.
Nothing personal. Just business. They told me you had it coming.
You don't have to do this. Don't walk away. He's making a mistake.
Bruce, are you all right?
It wasn't a mugging. They were assassinated. And Carmine Falcone knows why.
Oh, it's just starting. I got a trophy for just starting the game. I love these kind of trophies. I mean, it's not. I don't consider this a game. We're pretty much watching a comic book together. That's how I consider it. You know, and I just decide what to say, pretty much, more or less. I love these. I love these. They're quite enjoyable. They're quite relaxing. And anyway, the only thing I complain is that I don't have enough room to talk.
Getting you in to see Falcone like this? I don't have to tell you how many rules we're breaking. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm always here for you, but this could land us both in hot water. I pulled all the strings I had with the lieutenant. This better not come back to bite us.
Look, I get that, Harv, okay? And it means a lot to me.
I know it does, Bruce. It doesn't make it any easier. The last time we brushed shoulders with Falcone, the press made us pay. At least tell me what this is about. Look,
It's
I'm
personal.
all for blind support, but I should at least know what I'm getting myself into.
This is a personal matter, Harvey.
Fine, don't tell me. But I hope none of this comes back to bite us. I don't want headlines taking away from my debate with Hill.
Gentlemen, we finally put Falcone in his cage. Now, well, thanks to the information you gave me, Bruce, he won't ever get out.
Whoa, I'm sorry. Information? What information?
Oh, well, I assumed you knew.
It's
I
dirt
was
on
going to
Falcone.
contact your office first thing.
I gave him some evidence against Falcone.
More like a catalog of his entire criminal empire. It's a case that'll put Falcone away for life.
Is that a fact?
It's the reason I said yes to this unorthodox request.
Nice job bringing in Falcone. Yeah, that son of a bitch better not get off again.
He's not getting off the hook, Renee. Not this time.
Mr. Wayne, Sergeant Renee Montoya. I just wanted to say, some of us police support you, despite what the media is saying.
Thanks, Sergeant.
We're keeping Falcone in the infirmary. He's lucky he didn't get roughed up more. I could tell Batman wanted to kill him, but he held back. He cares about doing the right thing.
We're lucky to have him.
Well, whoever he is behind that mask, I say Gotham's lucky to have him.
Yeah. It's great to know he's out there watching over the city.
All right, Falcone's
Barry!
inside. Say what you gotta say.
Hello,
Get out
Barry.
here.
The hell? Bruce Wayne? You must have some clout. My own wife can't get in to see me. Good thing I'll be out of here in a week. Just
We need
like
to
every
talk.
other time they tried to put me away.
We need to talk, Falcone.
You weren't so eager the last time we met. But then, I knew you'd come around. Especially after the press got their teeth into you. You're your father's son. Yeah, that's right. Tommy and I were close. More than friends. More like cousins. Going back decades.
Did you have something to do with his death?
So that's what this is really about, eh? The pup digging up a 20-year-old killer.
2 killings, and they were never forgotten.
You and me, we're practically family. I thought you'd have figured that out by now. I tried to get through to you at
How are
Dent's
we family?
party.
Let's ask him that.
You-
I'm trying to be quiet, Barry, by the way.
You showed me the door.
I'm just...
Got a whole closet
This
full of
game really
birthday
keeps my
presents
mouth
I was
shut.
never able to give you.
Convince me then. Tell me a story about our big, happy family.
There it is. Now I got you hooked. Your father, Hill, and me, we ran this city. Still do. God damn this pain. Can't think through it. Morphine's on the side there. Be a good boy and help Uncle Carmine out. Huh?
He tries to convince him he's family, and now he's like calling himself Uncle Carmine. Hurting where is his pain? It doesn't give me a neutral choice, eh? Is his pain? Sure.
Uh, 40 years I keep my veins clean of any of that gunk. But you never forget the tender kiss. It'd be so easy to give me the whole vial, wouldn't it? Enough there to put an old dog down forever. Of course, you'd never know the whole story. How much of your parents do you have in you? What kind of son did Thomas Wayne make?
Do not push me, Falcone.
Apple didn't fall far, did it? You got that Wayne streak. Much better, kid. Thank you. Gesture like that reminds me of your mother. Your father may have been the doctor, but Martha, she had the human touch. Think you got more of her in you, tell the truth.
Let's accuse him. Let's try to get it out of him.
There's a kindness in you. You care about people. Even mean old bastards like me.
Well, I wouldn't know. You took her from me when I was 9 years old.
What, you really think I hired Chill? Sure. I worked with Joe Chill from time to time. Put a button on someone, he'd take him out. But I never ordered that hit on your parents.
So who did?
You can't trust anyone in Gotham. Least of all those you call friend. Your parents learned that.
Whoa!
They're waiting for you in hell!
Whoa!
The bastard had to die!
Now we'll never know the answer.
Hands in the air! Stand down! Get a doctor! Secure this floor! No one gets in or
Headshot.
out!
There's no way he made it out of that. My goodness. Wow, it's amazing. I love this story. If Telltale can't get anything right when it comes to game, at least they get the story perfectly.
We are in deep shit. I bought us some time, but not much. Word's gonna get out, sooner or later. Why would she do something like this? We had Gotham's biggest crime lord in our grasp. This close, we were this close!
Oops, I put the controller down.
I don't know. I hardly recognized her when she burst in. She was so different from the woman we met in the hall.
It's a disgrace. Another officer gone rogue.
Just doesn't make any sense. She'd never do anything to hurt the department.
Falcone's case meant justice for 1,000 unnamed victims. And now it is a PR disaster. How can I run against corruption when our own cops are redecorating the precinct with their prisoners' brains? Listen, we gotta get out in front of this. We gotta spin it as best we can. Issue a statement saying that we have the shooter in custody. Details are still coming in. We're investigating. The usual.
Harvey's right. We need to control this story or someone else will.
Then we need the whole story, not just part of it.
Lieutenant, Mr. District Attorney, Falcone's lawyers are here.
Oh, Christ. I can delay them for a little while, but we still need answers.
Tell me if she says anything.
She had like purple
have to know
veins
why
on
she
her
did
mouth or
this.
something. Is she gonna come to and she's still gonna remember what she just did?
Alfred, Falcone's been murdered.
Good God.
I'm looking into it, but I'll need access to the back computer for anything I find.
Connection secured.
Alfred, I'm gonna try and confirm some suspicions of mine.
So let's take a look at the mouth first, because the mouth is the first thing that made me look. There it is, the purple veins that I noticed. Her veins still visible beneath her skin.
Still
It's very
visible
weird.
beneath her skin.
What else did we notice? There's something else here. A scan, a neck. It's like a cut.
Fresh injection site. That doesn't look like blood. Alfred, I think I found the substance. Analyze and forward me the result.
What do I do? That's it? I swipe up.
Of course. I'll be in touch as soon as I have the results.
Where am I? Mr. Wayne? What's going on?
I knew it.
Oh, but I got this awful feeling something terrible happened.
What do you remember?
Everything is such a blur.
Sergeant, you have to think. What do you remember?
Oh, God. Falcone. I was hoping it wasn't real.
I believe you were drugged, Sergeant.
It would explain a lot. Listen, you have to believe me. I talk big about hurting thugs like Falcone, but I would never betray the lieutenant. Everything is so foggy. I remember a sharp pain.
There's an injection site on your neck.
Then I just felt light, like I could do whatever I wanted. No guilt, no consequence. There was a voice in my ear insisting Falcone was gonna get off. And all I knew was that I had to stop that. I had to, no matter what. The reasons why I shouldn't, they were a million miles away.
Did you see a face? Could you ID a suspect?
I don't think so.
You must remember some detail. Try.
I remember a hand on my arm, guiding me like a parent with a child. The voice, it was saying something about revolution.
Cobblepot said something similar.
I'm so sorry, Lieutenant. I've let you down.
We stalled Falcone's lawyers for now, but they'll be back. So how is she? Did she tell you anything?
Yeah, hey, don't worry about that now.
I found needle marks. Let's say that.
I found evidence that she was drugged. A fresh injection site on her neck.
I was out of my mind, Lieutenant. Please believe me.
Hey, I do. Of course I do. Hey, get forensics in here. Now!
She remembers a voice saying something about revolution.
That's not much to go on.
Now, if you're bringing forensics in, let's get Bruce out.
Alfred, I gotta get back to the manor. I've got a lead on whoever's behind this.
Bruce! What are you doing here? My friends in the GCPD have been telling stories about some kind of lockdown?
Sorry, Vicky, I can't talk to the press.
Your lips are moving. Words are coming out.
You know what I mean.
Word is there were shots fired near where Falcone was being held. Know anything about that?
I said no comment.
I mean, you must have been back there when it happened.
Didn't you hear me? I said no comment.
Don't be like that, Bruce. Talk to me. Word is you turned over enough dirt on Falcone to put him in Blackgate Prison for life. A day after he showed up at your house. And now you're here. You can't afford to be associated with another scandal. I can keep your name out of whatever we print, but you need to give me something I can use. Who fired the shots? A cop? I can tell by the way you're brushing me off that something happened. Just
No deal, Vicky.
give me something to run with.
You're fishing. You don't have anything. Now, if you'll excuse me.
You should talk to me, Bruce. This is coming out whether you stonewall me or not.
It's amazing how the choices are. It's either be one friend with one and make the other enemy. It's like you have two friends, but you have to choose which one to betray, kind of. That's what it is. If I told her, I would have betrayed what was said inside those walls earlier. It's nice. I love that. It's like you have to choose a side. I like that.
Either Cobblepot drugged Montoya himself or someone else is using his revolutionary rhetoric. Either way, I need to find him. Let's put our drones in the air and start a search. I'll run a trace on his cell. In the meantime, we have to find out what we can do about this drug.
The computer's been analyzing the chemicals from Montoya's bloodstream.
Throw that up on the monitor. The residue I scan on Montoya is similar to the nerve agent I found at the docks. Let's see what we got.
It's ironic that Falcone died at the hands of someone drugged with his chemicals. Who'd have guessed that's how he'd meet his maker? Prone in his sickbed, surrounded by police who were ordered to protect him.
Falcone got off easy by getting killed. He deserved much worse.
Whoever did this was judge, jury, and executioner. No one should act as all three. I hope he told you something before he was killed. What did you learn
said we were
from
family.
Practically family, he said.
Family? Funny, I don't recall any Sunday dinners with the mob.
It wasn't Falcone who called the hit.
Yes, well, I suppose that makes sense. Your father, Hill, and Falcone would have balanced each other out.
Computers pinpointed reference points on the two compounds.
How do I do? So let's see. Doc sample, or what's this? Montoya sample. Let's check out the Montoya sample first.
This refined drug is like a weapon. It only took a small injection to strip Montoya of her moral filters and make her act on her base impulses.
Check out the other one.
The men at the docks were doused with the base chemicals. The reaction was messy. They were out of control. Both compounds seem stable, but they're quick to fall apart. Whoever processed it knew what they were doing.
What could the creators of such a drug possibly have in mind? Fighting your wars is one thing,
They can make
but drugging others to fight them for you... Oh.
With this drug, they can exploit anyone's baser impulses, the things they would otherwise control.
Your drones are in position to triangulate Cobblepot's location.
The bat drones. Select a drone to search for Oswald's cell phone signal. Let's take a look. Let's start from here. Let's start from the middle, actually. Press X when you find a portion of the signal. How do I know I found a portion of the signal, though? This minigame sucks. We found something. Okay, there we go.
Find her! Find her now! Send a strong message!
Select another draw to continue your search. Yeah, sure, why not? I found it right away now.
Bring me her head!
There we go.
And there you go. You'll be alright. Alright.
There he is. We found you, buddy. Oh, it's Cobblepot. It's the penguin then.
The Skyline Club. Jesus, didn't even wait for Falcone's body to get cold, did you, Oz?
Going to speak with him, Bruce?
Bruce Wayne already tried talking with Cobblepot. It's time he met the Batman.
I love it. I'm Batman. There he is. Of course, I think he's gonna try to take over his empire. I think that's how it is. At least that's what it looks like in Gotham, in the TV show.
Come on, I know there's gotta be more around here. The man probably had millions in his sock drawer alone. If Falcone finds out I helped you, he'll kill me. Your boss won't be doing much of anything. Ever again.
You lot, come check out this office.
Where is names? Hey, you can help me, or you.
Let him go.
Batman! It's about time. You kill a crime boss, you'd expect a word of thanks from Gotham's #1 vigilante. Oh, don't worry, I'll pass your gratitude on
I
to those
said
who make it
let him
happen.
go.
They'll be pleased to know you think so highly of their work.
I said let him go.
You hear that, Roland? That sounded like an order.
I'll crush him.
Now, have a little respect for the Bat. Think he underestimates you. Is this about Falcone? We all saw how you felt about Falcone. Pounded him into a pulp on live TV. If you were truly the defender of this city, you'd have finished the job yourself. Admit it, Falcone deserved to die. Vermin like Falcone, they deserve to be stomped
I
out.
don't kill, I'm Batman.
I know from personal experience.
I don't kill my enemies.
Maybe that's why you got so many. Might be time to
That's a good
reconsider.
answer.
As a show of good faith, I'm gonna let this one go. How's about we talk this through? We helped you with Falcone. Now, if we could just cut out the rest of the rot, like Wayne and Hill, ordinary folks might be able to breathe.
Oswald Cobblepot. What is it about this place that attracts criminal scum like you?
Gotta admit, you've got flair. Here's the thing. I actually admire you, Batman. We both want the same kinds of things. Me and my people, we've got big plans for Gotham.
They found Catwoman.
What do you want with her?
We had a deal. She didn't make good on it. So sorry this didn't work out, mate. I'd stay to watch. I would, but I still got a Catwoman problem to deal with. Oh, what's her name again?
Selina.
Yes!
He knows her
beautiful
identity.
name.
Uh-oh. Oh. He died. Wrong quick time events. Let's try again. That was fun. You have to deal with this guy. So what? Let's do it. Some action finally.
Gonna have to try harder than this.
Alfred, track down Selina Kyle.
I'll find her right away.
That's 2.3 trophies. I think there's like 5 if I'm not mistaken, or 6. I don't know. No, let's go in. Bartender.
Is that Bruce Wayne? You really think he'd show up here?
Let's look at the jukebox.
Oh, tunes for drinking, dancing, and fighting. Not necessarily in that order.
Did you hear? The cops raided his house. Sorry, his manor.
Didn't you see the game here, asshole?
I'm sorry.
Are you blind or something?
My bad, I'm not looking for trouble.
It looks like it found you.
Really?
Despite the backing of billionaire Bruce Wayne, rumors persist that the
Wait a minute, I know you. You're that rich dude. You're that guy on the news.
I get that a lot.
Yeah, I get that all the time. It's something about the chin.
You think I'm dumb?
Bruce, stop stirring up the natives and buy me a drink.
Wait, what? This guy's with you?
Face it, Frank, you suck at pool. Why are you starting trouble over it? Nice one, Bruce. Way to keep a low profile.
Selina, I need to tell you something important.
Better be an apology. You were supposed to take care of our mutual problem.
You're
Instead,
in
you just
serious
pissed
danger.
him off.
That's why I'm here. You're in danger.
I've had rats on my tail all day.
The man who hired you. His name is Oswald Cobblepot.
Never heard of him.
He goes by Penguin.
Penguin? Shit. Ugh, you've got to be kidding me. You should have just killed me on that rooftop. I'm dead anyway. When you screw someone over, you really screw them. The Penguin.
Penguin can't take on both of us, and I'm not going anywhere. Clearly you know something about him.
I only know him by reputation. I'm surprised you never heard of him. He's a big deal across the pond. He's more dangerous than you think.
He's bigger than him anyway.
I can take him.
I appreciate confidence in a man, but not stupidity. The question is, why Gotham? Why now? It's not like he's hurting for crime syndicates abroad.
To take over Falcone's turf.
Why leave that?
Oswald wanted Falcone out of the picture. Looks like he succeeded.
So what? He wants to take his place?
Maybe, for starters.
Well, I'm not sticking around here to find out.
Oswald... Penguin is about to unleash God knows what on the city. You can't just leave.
A good reason not to be here when he does. You want to stay?
He'll find you.
That's your
idiots.
choice.
If Penguin is everything you say, there's no tree high enough for you to climb. He will find you.
So what are you suggesting? The bat helps the cat?
Yeah, why not?
And the cat helps the bat.
Bruce, sweetie, the gallant knight thing, it really is adorable. But what would Harvey think? The two of us, working together. After all, I'm not really an all work and no play kind of girl. Harvey knows that.
He doesn't need to know.
Keep Harvey out of this. The less he knows, the safer he'll be.
I'm sure his safety is your paramount concern. You and I...
Uh-oh. Oh no, it's them!
Please, don't wreck my bar.
Look, they're
Bruce.
twins.
You were right.
Selena Kyle.
Oh, come
Penguin
on.
says hello. Beat it. We're here for her. You care about your own skin? You'll get the hell out.
Gentlemen, please. Sit. Have a drink. Let's work this out like civilized people.
We're done talking.
Oh, it's time to punch, apparently. Ah, no you don't, buddy. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do?
Not done yet. I think they want more.
Then let's give it to him.
Oops, wrong button. But I pressed it off time anyway.
it pretty good. For such a pretty boy. Come on, this way.
That was cool.
Quick, check the alleyway!
You see anything?
Negative. Let's check the other side.
Are we alone?
Yeah, we're alone.
Back away.
Move. We should go.
I'll take the rooftops. You take the alley.
Wait. Yes or no, will you help me stop Penguin?
I'm gonna say maybe, but only because he's trying to kill me.
Pretty good reason to say yes.
You shouldn't trust me, you know.
Alfred, I'm uploading the contents of a smartphone to the back computer. Check to see if there's anything on the phone we can use.
Processing it now. Is everything all right? There are quite a few police cars convening on your location.
It's fine. Has the back computer found anything yet?
Bruce, there are a number of messages here. All from Mayor Hill.
Mayor Hill?
The last voicemail is his. Listen to this.
I gave you everything I have on Wayne. I've held up my end of the bargain, and I expect you to do the same.
This is very shady.
He's working
indeed.
with them?
Whatever they're talking about, it doesn't sound good.
I should have guessed. Hill's working with Penguin. If Hill's talking to Penguin, he must know something. It's time I paid him a visit.
I agree. The mayor must have answers, but if I may offer a word of advice. People look up to Batman after how you handled Falcone. Terrorizing the mayor could damage that goodwill. Then again, Batman's methods would certainly get him talking immediately. Bruce would have to depend on his guile to loosen Hill's lips.
Visit Mayor Hill as Bruce or visit Mayor Hill as Batman? Huh, interesting. Wow, very interesting. Should I visit him as Batman? As Batman. How cool! He changes the outfit. I like. I'm gonna go as Batman. But first, I'm gonna switch off the fan. I'm feeling a bit cold. Be right back. Okay, back. Let's go as Batman.
Going as Batman is the sure bet.
Ashley! Welcome! Good one. I'll make him laugh, Ashley. I'll make him laugh. I want to scare him, not make him laugh. Can you believe it? I just switched off the fan. I'm feeling cold. Warm now.
Batman has the public trust after taking down Falcone. Try try not to throw it away by going overboard on Hill. Battering the mayor
I'll be
is not a
delicate.
good option, despite his more than checkered reputation.
Don't worry, Alfred. I'm a light touch.
Not sure if you're asking me, Ashley, but if you are, I'm doing great.
The city will
Thank you for asking.
later if Hill tells me
Again, if you're asking
Penguin's
me. I hope your evening is going well.
Deborah, you incompetent! Dent's up in the polls. I need to crucify him in the debate or we can kiss re-election and your job goodbye.
Hey, Dandy,
You better be
welcome.
back here in the next 15 minutes or I'm cutting your pay.
I'm being Batman right now.
Who's there? Deborah! Is that you?
Shut up and listen. We need to talk. We need to talk.
You know.
I'm gonna ignore the chat real quick
It's
because
time we
these
finally
are
met.
decisions I have to make real quick. So I'm sorry about this, but this game is very demanding. It really makes me concentrate on the game, and
What are you
it
doing
really
here?
shuts my mouth as well. Because I need to follow what's going on.
You know who Penguin is.
So I've heard of him. So what? I've got nothing to do with that lowlife. Do you hear me?
Don't lie to me.
You're leaving out a few details.
I gave you everything I have on Wayne. I've held up my end of the bargain, and I expect you to do the same. Wayne, there's the real problem. He's the one you should be after. Every fiber of his being built on lies, his status, his fortune. He should be held accountable.
You really believe that?
I witnessed firsthand the atrocities of his family, and he's the one who profited. Security! Pick up, goddammit! Security!
So awesome.
Don't kill me! I've done nothing wrong!
Why come to you?
Because I knew about Arkham Asylum, and what was done to those poor people. Penguin wants revenge for what happened to his mother. Thomas Wayne sent her to Arkham, along with who knows how many other innocents.
Do you
Nothing
have
was
proof?
wrong with
Everyone's
any of
accusing the Wayne family. It's annoying me now.
Until Thomas locked them up.
Something this big couldn't have been hidden. There'd be records.
With enough money, you can make anything, or anyone, disappear.
That's a good answer.
I didn't dare speak up. Whatever happened in the past, it's nothing compared to what's happening now. Penguin isn't the only child of Arkham. There are others whose families were destroyed by Wayne. They'll make Gotham pay for his sins. No.
Tell it to the police.
Please, don't. No.
You can tell your story to the police. See what they think about it.
If I hadn't given Penguin what he wanted, he would have struck at the debate tonight. I didn't just do this for myself. I'm trying to protect Gotham. Finally, about damn time.
It's Batman! Shoot him! Come on, get
Small
the mayor out of
pellet,
here.
and out we go. Bye.
I heard everything, Master Bruce. What he said about your father.
It's amazing how it feels like
difficult to
the Wayne
process.
family is
I
the
need to know what went on in Arkham Asylum.
is the villain of the story.
Indeed. I'm just as frustrated as
There's
you
no way
are.
out of this. It feels like there's no way out of this.
Hill seems to think he's safe, but Penguin's still out there.
I'm really enjoying the story. The game is not much. There's not much to do. I mean, just push buttons and save stuff. But it's so good. The story is so good. I'm really enjoying it. So I'm gonna look at. I think I came up with the no pants thing. I think it's me. Okay. I think I was the one that started the no pants. Oh. Hey, Luke. Sorry, I didn't say hi to you, or you just showed up. Sorry, I just noticed you.
I wonder what else is on.
Push down to enter it into the slot. That's so funny. Minimalistic controls.
As per your request, Lieutenant Gordon has tripled security at the debate.
Thanks, Alfred.
But Gordon heard about
Guys, are you
Batman's
getting
surprise
echo?
visit to the mayor.
Is my microphone capturing the
was
TV
far
sound?
from
Should I lower the
happy.
TV sound
Thanks
so
for the heads up.
if there's any echo, I'll get rid of it? If it's annoying, let me know.
It's
I'll
a plan
remove
of the old Monarch Theatre.
The auditorium where the debate's being held. I hacked into the image feeds from the security cameras at the auditorium.
Just to be safe.
Just to be safe.
Hills, details about your father. They must have been quite upsetting. I can't imagine how you must feel. To learn so much in so little time.
To be honest, Alfred, nothing can shock me anymore. When it comes to my parents.
I wish I felt the same way. But I suppose no good can come from wallowing.
Exactly, Alfred.
The city needs you now more than ever.
I want a chair that comes out of the ground like that one.
Leave you to it then.
Let's check the back. This is my least favorite part of the game. Checking the Batmobile. Okay, so news. What's on the news?
Some potholes on his path to the mayor's office. Despite the backing of billionaire Bruce Wayne, rumors persist that the candidate is having trouble paying his campaign staff and making ad buys. A Dent spokesperson said these rumors are nothing more than a smear tactic, perpetuated by the incumbent Mayor Hill's campaign.
In other news, nobody goes to Gotham's dive bars expecting a quiet night out, but police say a brawl tonight at the Stack Deck Bar in Otisburg was the rowdiest one in recent memory. Reports say multiple arrests were made, with all the suspects taken into custody while unconscious. Police are seeking an unidentified man and woman who were seen in conversation with the assailants shortly before the fight.
Gotham District Attorney Harvey Dent appears to be hitting some potholes on his path to the mayor's office.
Let's see what this is. Security cameras? Yeah, that's what's the security
Wayne,
cameras.
rumors persist.
Wait a minute. The images on these cameras haven't changed. Something's wrong.
Penguin's men may have commandeered the cameras on their end. We could just be looking at
what they want us to see. Warn Gordon that he may have visitors. I have to get down there. Now.
Cool. Am I ever gonna drive the Batmobile?
Harvey needs to get out of there.
Hey, Bruce. Man, I'm glad you called. I needed to talk to you, actually. Something's come up. Something that's... well,
don't go to the
not
debate.
Exactly pleasant.
Harvey, listen to me. Stay away from the debate.
What? No, Bruce, I'm already here. Kinda crazy. Security's on high alert because of this threat from some guy named Penguin. They have me in some back room until the debate begins. For my own protection, they said. A little bit of overkill, if you ask me. Look, Bruce, I didn't want to do this over the phone, but my advisors are telling me that I need to... that I need to distance
I knew it. They were gonna
myself from
find
you.
us.
Until all this
I
mess
understand.
with your family blows over. There.
I get it. It's the smart move, but let's talk about that later.
I'm glad you see it that way. What with the allegations in the press, and now this mess with Falcone, you're a liability.
Hey, Irving. Hey,
here's
who
the
won?
thing, Bruce.
He's Batman wearing pants. He has to.
I am dead in the water.
He kinda has to.
I know this is a delicate topic, but I need you to keep me afloat. I may have to trash you in public, but you and me, we'll know the truth about our friendship.
That doesn't matter now. I don't care.
Forget your campaign for a minute. The money won't matter if you're dead.
Yeah, well, until I am, it is still my primary concern. Listen, I hate to push you, but I need to know. Can I count on your money, Bruce? Whatever it takes to save Gotham. That's what we wanted.
Okay, sure.
I'll always support you, Harvey.
Oh, thank you, Bruce. Thank you. You don't know how much this means to me. To Gotham. I'm sorry, Bruce. The makeup person is here. Guess she needs to put on my face.
I hope you
That
can
was a
still watch
pun,
the debate
because
somewhere.
he's Two-Face.
No
He's
matter
gonna
what
be
I have to
Two-Face.
say tonight, remember,
You are always my friend.
Okay. That's alright, Dandy. No problem. Welcome back. How's everyone doing? It's not a Resident Evil stream. I know. It's a bit quiet. It's a quiet one. But I'm gonna stream Resident Evil 1 tonight. Well, tonight. Which would be probably in about 7 hours. I'll probably stream 7 hours of Resident Evil stream.
Batman. Yeah, all quiet so far.
With a face cam.
I've got a feeling that's about to change.
But just so we're clear, you and me, we're on shaky ground.
Jim, listen.
No, listen to me. The excessive violence, it can't go on. Most of the GCPD already think you're a monster. Don't prove them right.
You're lucky I'm on your side.
That may be true, but I can't ally with a violent thug.
We have bigger things to worry about right now. Your security has been compromised.
I've got patrols on every door.
You better check on them.
I'd keep that holstered if I were you.
What's she doing here? She was part of that robbery at the
We're
mayor's
on the same
office.
side.
Really? You're gonna drag out that dead horse?
We're all on the same side, Jim.
Well, this better not come back to bite me. Alpha Patrol, come in.
That, incident in the bar. Dead is its own kind of cage. I can't stand being in it. Not that I needed your help or anything, but you had my back. I thought I'd repay the favor. You know, like you scratch my back, I cut some people up.
You don't owe me anything. Those scum had it coming.
And they say chivalry is dead.
None of my men on the ground are responding.
Enough waiting. We're going in.
Alpha, do you read?
Now aren't you glad I'm here?
Well, you have a better shot than my SWAT team of getting in there quietly. We are seriously underfunded at the GCPD.
Sounds like a vote for Dent, Lieutenant.
That was a very good answer, actually. Some of you might not agree with the decisions I'm making. Maybe they're not Batman-y enough. But I'm reacting the way I would if I was in Batman's suit, if I was Bruce Wayne. Some of you might have disagreed with me because I didn't kiss Catwoman, but that's what probably I do. I'll probably back out. I'm a chicken.
Mayor Hamilton Hill and the challenger, Gotham District Attorney Harvey Dent. And it's also important for you, the citizens of Gotham, who will soon head to the polls to decide the future of your home, a city that's faced its share of hardships in recent years. Rising crime rates, income inequality, and yes, a masked vigilante loose on our streets. Candidates will tackle it all.
The thugs, look at them. Boom! They're all the same again. Batman and his toys. I'm great, Irving. Thanks for asking. It's true. He does have an awesome voice. I think it's Troy Baker, if I'm not mistaken. I think it's Troy Baker doing the voice. I'm Batman.
Ladies and gents, as you might have guessed, there's been a change to tonight's programme. First order of business, firing the moderator!
He's firing the moderators, guys. Mods, be careful. He's shooting the moderators. No one else dies.
He just didn't have a head for the issues.
If we're quick and decisive, no one else has to die.
If you say so. But Penguin's playing for keeps.
Fanatics always do.
You'll do. Get out here. Keep it quiet back there.
These guys are armed to the teeth.
We need a new moderator.
Come on, you.
You there? Yeah.
Oh, it's the journalist.
You, thank you for volunteering.
Please, no.
Go on then, introduce the candidates. Stage fright, huh? All right, I'll get you started, but this is your show.
3 hostiles. Gotta take them out quietly.
Okay, I paused the game so I don't miss out anything, but I want to say something. I want to say something about Batman's voice. He's got one of those things in which he switches on and his voice changes, like the Arrow. Have you seen the Arrow? Where he goes, "You have failed this city." Does it really exist? Does something like that really exist? Can I do something like that? Can I buy one of those and stream with a voice like that? How cool would it be? I think even the Flash in the series, he's got one of those as well. He switches it on so people don't recognize his voice. It's so cool. It's really cool. You switch it on and your voice changes into a badass. I like that. Anyway, so I'm gonna resume now so that we can continue. So I wanted to say that without missing out on anything. That's why I paused. Let's go. So what I'm gonna do, Thug, what do I do? Take him out? Examine. So, bird mask guy. Hang on, sorry. Sorry, I'm looking at. So there's Ford gunman. There's the TV, or the camera. The camera's very close, so I can link the camera with. Hold on. To the gunman. So I'm gonna do an attack with the camera. And then, this thug, what are my options? There's the stage, or the table, or the door. Let's do the door. There we go. These are gonna be my attacks. I'm planning my attacks. Dada, welcome, buddy. Welcome, Dada. Voice disruptors, they're called, according to Juan. That's so awesome, man. I'll Google it. But it's not something you use on the phone because it changes your voice only on the phone. Because I found those voice changers. A voice disruptor. You switch it on and your voice turns into this. You have failed this city. Anyway, let's keep playing. Okay, the thug, we're gonna smash his head on this. Yes, I was looking at it. The light stand. Let's link that. And these are gonna be my attacks. Let's go. Are we ready? Are we ready? And that's what's gonna happen. Yes. But yeah, that's what's gonna happen exactly. He did his homework before attacking. So cool. Let's go. Batman! Pow! Blam! Kapow! Bam! Shpah!
Maybe next time.
Keep your heads down. Make for the police line.
And now, a word from our sponsor.
My downtrodden brothers and sisters of Gotham, you have nothing to fear. We are the children of Arkham. We are here to end the masquerade and expose the corruption that rooted your city. For too long,
Oswald has partners.
mayor have profited from the pain of innocence.
They knew this was too big for Oswald alone. Someone else is pulling the strings.
Smart. Let someone else do the dirty work.
Look into the hearts of these spineless creatures. Chosen to
Go on, love. You know what to do.
What?
Candidates, take off your masks.
It's the same thing that they injected with the policewoman, because now their lips turned purple and they got veins on their mouth. So it's the same thing. Hey, Buds Gaming, welcome! Sorry I missed your comment, it went up real fast. It's a good thing I extended the chat thing all the way from the top to the bottom of the screen. It's a good thing I would have missed it. Nice to see you, buddy.
Shot on live TV. What's going on in there?
Oh, sorry, Dan. The apparent Nightbot didn't like the word scum. Sorry. Oh, sorry, I was looking at chat. I'm so good at failing.
Gotham's flawed. Sure. That city is flaws.
We're out of time, Batman. The press is going nuts with those two drunks on stage.
This game makes me want to play Arkham Knight. I still haven't finished that game. All good, buds. Thank you so much for hanging out. I hope you're doing well.
Roll the tape!
Subject 9.
What?
I thought your father was dead.
Subject 9. Esther Cobblepot. You've been declared criminally insane and committed to Arkham indefinitely as a ward of the state.
Please, I'll sell you the land. Please don't do this.
You had your chance. You should have made the deal we offered you. Give her the drug.
Thomas, we're friends. Our boys play together.
You were warned, Esther. You know I always get what I want. Commence the procedure.
Wow! Now either Thomas Wayne is really a villain. Either that, or he's an imposter. They're trying to frame the Wayne family. It's either one or the other. Okay, things are getting out of hand now. Let's go. But the more the story progresses, the more it shows that the Wayne family is corrupt. It's like there's no way out of this.
Batman! You certainly know how to make an entrance.
Right, so what do I do?
Go!
Why don't you kick the crap out?
And the QuickTime events are so easy, guys. Are so easy. You know how many times I'm failing? You know how many times I'm failing and then it just picks up the correct button anyway? Like if I have to press left, first I press right and down and then I press the actual button. So it's very easy, it's very forgiving, that's what I'm saying. Sometimes I have to press square and I press circle and then I press square immediately again, and it's very forgiving.
He didn't know when to stop. I had him killed because of it.
I'm looking at chat, I'm sorry. Dad, I think you got busted by Nightbot again, sorry about that.
Poor old mum. So this is for her.
Don't let you kill anyone else!
Wipe your turn, Dent!
Uh-oh. Whoa. Your face. How about taser in your mouth, buddy?
Where's your mate, Bruce Wayne? Your biggest supporter, and he didn't even turn up! Batman! The revolution's already started! It's too late to join!
I'm not here to, it's over, Penguin. Let him go.
Your revolution is over, Penguin.
On the contrary, we're just getting started.
You have to choose who to save. Oh my goodness, you have to choose who to save. Ugh. It's always like this. Save Harvey, save Selena. Save Harvey, save Selena. Oh my goodness. Ladies first, I'm sorry. Some people think it's second. Ladies first. That's how his face got burnt.
Hold your fire, damn it!
His face got badly burned. That's how he became the Two-Face. I'm guessing. Let's see. There you go.
Harvey.
Where's the maniac in the mask? We need paramedics over here, now!
Such a good story. I'm enjoying this so much. As I was saying before, I mean, the game may not be much, but the story is so good. And Two-Face is born, Dada, that's right.
After Mayor Hamilton Hill was confirmed
I think this is the end
dead.
of this chapter.
While several members of the Children of Arkham have been arrested, the Penguin is still at large.
I think it's the end of the episode, though. To be honest with you, 650. I think it was 650 this episode. I think it's a bit steep, to be honest with you. I don't think if it ends here, yeah, that's what I imagine. It's gonna end here probably. It's not even that long. They're probably gonna analyze it, have a talk about what's going on, and it's gonna end. That's what I'm thinking.
He won't be the same after this.
Meanwhile, the Wayne family scandal continued to escalate after the full list of Thomas Wayne's victims was released to the public.
Yeah, summarizing. He took her home. It's over, is it? Is it over? Next time on Batman. No?
Representing
Okay, there's
Bruce
more.
Wayne have no comment at this time.
We are the children of Arkham, and we have opened your eyes.
Yeah, that's what I thought. To be honest with you, I think it's a bit short. I think to 6 something. Now, did you ease Falcone's pain by making him suffer? Or make him suffer by making him suffer. Did you ease his pain by making him suffer? Wow, I'm surprised so many people actually chose the non-violent thing. Let's see. Did you kiss Selena? I decided not to kiss Selena. You see, I knew people would disagree with my decision. 21.2 only. It's only, but that's me. That's what I would have done. Me personally, my personality, I would have backed out. I'm a chicken. Thank you, Dara. Let's see what else. You and 54% chose Tuvis as Batman. Probably because people want to see Batman, not Bruce Wayne. Bruce Wayne is probably boring, but I chose Batman because he can be more intimidating, kind of, and protecting your identity. What else? Did you withdraw your funding from Harvey's campaign? Oh wow, I'm surprised. Thank you for the like, buds. Thank you for the like on Twitter. I just saw it. Thank you. Wow. So many people agreed with my decision. What else? Save Selena or Harvey? 62.6 went ladies first. I saved Selena not only because ladies first, but she can be a big asset if she's still alive or uninjured. She can help me out with this thing. Harvey's just a politician. So if I chose Harvey, would have become Two-Face, guys. Interesting. Maybe I have to replay this again. Well, that's the thing with this game. I can play it again and you know, get twice, you know, my money's worth, kind of. What else? And these are other decisions. No, these are the same decisions. Share my choices? How? As if I don't feel like it, I'm going to create an account. Not now. Alright, so next time on. Are you guys ready for next time on? Yes, there are 2 episodes out already. This is episode 2. And they're coming out real quickly, actually. They're coming out real quick. I mean, I enjoy Telltale games. They might not be much graphic-wise and gameplay-wise, you know, but the storytelling is always fantastic. If I had to show you guys, hang on, can I show you? Yes, I can. These are the games I own by Telltale. But I'm planning to get The Wolf Among Us, and I plan on playing also Back to the Future. I downloaded it, but I'm ready for copyright. Those copyright you get from, you know, from YouTube because of the music from Universal. Anyway, let's go. Emily says we're ready. Let's be ready. Continue on next time. Next time on Batman. Let's go.
I'm on Batman, the Telltale series.
Saved me, but this isn't over. You don't know these people, Bruce.
Authorities are scrambling. The so-called Children of Arkham have the city in a frenzy, but there's still no sign of their masked leader. With Hill and Falcone dead by their hands, the question on everyone's lips is, who's next?
After that news about your father sending innocent people to Arkham, sounds like the whole city wants your head on a pike.
The Waynes have always run this company, but now they want to decide what your future at this company will be.
Do you really think Bruce Wayne is worth protecting?
What do you want from me?
You know what I want.
No more hiding. Not for anyone.
But don't worry. Bruce Wayne's finally gonna get what's coming to him. Bruce! Bruce!
That's it. That's it. Thank you for the retweet, buds. Okay, that's it. Wherever comics are sold. Okay. Is that it? Get your season pass. No. Not now. I'm busy. You know what they should do? People with season passes get the game like 1 day early. I think I would be sold on that. Hey Sophie, welcome! Hey! Nice to see you. I'm about to end the stream. Sorry! These are very short streams when I play these episodes. I just play the episode and that's it. What was I saying? Yeah, a good way to sell these season passes is giving those who actually purchase them a day early. 1 day early would sell it for me. I would buy the season pass if I could get the game 1 day early, probably. Yeah. Alright guys, I am gonna go. Thank you all so much for hanging out. Those who stopped by and said hi and dropped a like and hanging out and, you know, all that stuff. I am gonna go take a nap. I will be streaming in about 6 or 7 hours again. I'm playing some Resident Evil probably. Something with facecam. Something with facecam for sure. I like to do a stream with one stream with facecam, one stream without. I like to alternate, one on, one off. So the next stream is definitely gonna be with the facecam. In about 6 or 7 hours. Then I have to pack. I'm leaving. But I'll do a stream before I leave. Alright. Thank you so much for hanging out, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye!